Yeah, right then everyone. This is a new video. This is the first series of cars that came out from Glam Toys Products in 1930. Well, it would start off at 1935. That's when the factory opened. So these are the first ones that I have. I don't know if it, well, I know there is one, but we'll get into that. This is number 506. Now, anyone knows what came before 506? I'd love to know, because I don't know. But anyway, there we are. So that's that. And then we have this one, which is 507. This one, which is the same car with the covers the other way round. Now, normally they wouldn't do that actually. They keep the same number for both cars, but well, I do have things like that, so they're different colours, but they're all the same number, if you know what you mean. So yeah, so there's that one. That's 507. Then we have this one, which is 508, which is police car. I think this is the first one that had, well, maybe one of the first ones that had a figure in it, or not much of anyone, do you know? So yeah, this is the police car here. Okay. There you go. There's that one. Yeah. I like that. I think that's quite good. 1930s type car. Made in England, it says on the back, as they always do. Although they're not actually. They're made in Wales. But who knows about that? And then we have this one, which is 509. Now this is the taxi cab. Now this was also available in a mechanical version, which I have. Of course none of them work, because they all run off electric band. And how you get them in, I do not know. But yeah, so this is the other one that I have here. It's nice because this is a different colour. There we go. Oh god, yeah. That's gone wrong, hasn't it? That's the thing in the front window. I have to get this apart and get that thing back. I do have another one that's a bit like it. Let's see. Yeah, it's a bit like this Glam Toys American one. It has that thing that goes round in the front window as you push the car along. That's got it in there, but it seems to have gone missing. Well, I know it's in there. I know it is. Okay. So there's that. So if you look underneath of this, it's got a sort of interesting bottom, you know, it's got different things about the place. Yeah, so that's that. And then there's this one, which is 510, which is the ambulance. And this also came out with a mechanical version, which I also have that as well. Of course that doesn't work, and I have no idea how it works. I've never seen one that does work. You know, how would you ever know such a thing as that? You wouldn't, would you? So, this is the mechanical one here. You see, it's got a thing in the bonnet there where something would come out of. Now I've had this apart and there's nothing inside to see what would even make a noise. I cannot understand it. If anyone knows anything about those, well, there you go. So that's all the ones I have, apart from the mechanical key Panini card, which I don't have. Well, I've never seen it. So there you go then. So that's that video. And the next video I will be showing you the 1940s cards, and they're much better. So yeah, so we'll do that in a minute, and we'll do that for next week. Okay everybody, bye.